Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Keyboard section. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard and the Gboard. Lastly, just select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!